In this module, we're going to show you how to build your first funnel using System.io or StanStore, two beginner-friendly platforms that make the process fast and easy. Even if you've never built a funnel before, you'll see just how simple it is to connect the pieces and start turning visitors into buyers. Let's begin with System.io. System.io is a powerful all-in-one platform that gives you everything you need to build a complete funnel. Landing pages, email automation, product delivery, and checkout, all in one place. Here's how to get started. Create a free account. No need to pay to begin. The free plan is generous enough to get started with your first funnel. Create a new funnel. Inside your dashboard, click Funnels, then Create. You'll choose your funnel goal, like collecting emails, selling a product, or building a custom path. Add a landing page. This is your opt-in page, where you offer your lead magnet. You can use one of their templates or build a clean page that highlights what the freebie helps them achieve. Connect your email list. System.io allows you to create an email list and send automated emails. This is where your welcome sequence lives. Add a sales page or tripwire page. Right after someone opts in, direct them to a low-ticket offer, a quick win product. System.io makes it easy to create this next page and hook up payment. Connect your product. Upload your digital file and set the product to deliver automatically after purchase. Test everything. Go through the process as if you're the customer. Check each step. Make sure emails send and your files deliver correctly. Now, let's talk about StanStore. Stan is perfect for creators and mobile-first businesses. You can build a quick funnel using bio links, opt-in forms, and digital product checkouts, all from one clean interface. Stan's funnel flow is one-page storefront with multiple links instant checkout pages for products, built-in email capture and lead magnet delivery. It's incredibly simple and perfect if you're using social platforms to drive traffic. But here's the most important thing to remember. As long as you understand the concept of a funnel, you can build one with any tool you prefer. You're just connecting. A free offer to build trust, a small offer to convert a buyer, a core product for deeper value, a follow-up system to stay in touch, that's the formula. And it works no matter what software you use. The ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault makes this even easier by giving you ready-to-use products at every stage of the funnel. Lead magnets, mini products, premium bundles. You don't have to create a thing, just plug, personalize, and launch. And if you've grabbed the done-for-you WordPress website, your funnel structure is already built in. All you need to do is swap out the placeholder content for your own. So pick the tool that works for you, keep it simple, and take action. Funnels are how digital products go from one-time sales to scalable systems. In the next module, we'll walk through how to set up your email follow-up sequence and how to turn one product sale into repeat customers for life. Let's keep building.